Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Now in this video I will show you how to watch live football on Hulu. Now as you know, if you get your Disney Plus bundle, you get Hulu for free and ESPN Plus for free. And by the way, this Disney Plus bundle is only $8, which is pretty awesome. So with that you can get ESPN Plus and you can watch live sports with that. But let's go into the tutorial. So the first there are a couple of things you can do. So the first thing I would say is getting the sports add-on with Hulu plus live TV. Now what this will do is this will basically bring you more live sports events, NFL, basketball and all those good stuff. Now as you can see, if you get NFL Red Zone and 5 other live sports networks, you can get them for just $10 a month. So on top of your Hulu live plan, right? And live TV plan, now with Disney Plus and ESPN starting at again $70 a month. This is with live TV plan. That means you get 7 hours of live football coverage every Sunday afternoon all season long. So this is the only way currently how to get it. As you can see, right here you can watch NFL games on Hulu plus live TV. Here you can sign up, right? But yeah, you have like top networks for live sports. You have over 75 plus live and on-demand channels, including your favorite sports. And you don't need to pay any extra cable fees. And yeah, you basically can follow sports and get experience like this, as you can see right here, which is pretty awesome. Now, if you ask me, I think Hulu is definitely worth it, especially if you're watching sports. I mean, it's definitely worth it. But yeah, this is how you can do it. It's currently the only way you can do it. I'm not sure if there are any other ways, but this is the way that I'm aware of how to watch live football on Hulu. So if you have any questions or comments, comment down below. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.